Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon to get updates as and when I bring in videos. And I hope you all are resonating with the readings also. So again, let's see what is your day for today. It's going to be a general reading, so I shall pick two cards. The first card is Hello from Heaven. So basically today your ancestors are there to bless you and help you. Your ancestors are openly, going to shower their blessings on you. So today, if possible, wear the color white, and also if you can feed two or three poor people, it is like feeding your ancestors. And also, if you have the time, go to a Hanuman temple and do some donation over there and come, and I'm sure your ancestors will feel very happy that you are respecting them and you are taking their messages and taking their blessings, because these blessings will make you happy and prosperous in life. Now let's see what is the next card coming. Claircognizance. So here it says, whatever is happening today, pay attention to it, because now, as I said, you have followed the remedies. You're going to do the remedies, and the ancestors are going to give you messages. There will be certain thoughts which will come to you, more like answered prayers, like, oh, this was the thing I was waiting for, this was the solution I'm looking for, and I have got the solution. So today most of you will feel as if your prayers are answered. You have got solution for the issues you've been dealing with, and you'll be very happy at the end of the day. So now, after this wonderful reading, let's see what the angels of Atlantis are going to say. Miracles. Now see, that's a beautiful card, the Metatron with miracles. Today, be rest assured, the day is going to be just amazing and awesome. So this card is basically a miracle is happening, a miracle is coming for you. So just accept it. Just accept the magic, and I'm sure the magic is going to be really, really beautiful and surprising. So today, I also would suggest that, wear the color white. I have already said. Here, Durga Saptashati. I repeat, Saptashati, Saptashati. And offer some prasad to Ma Durga today, and start your day and see how beautifully your day is going to unfold, with a lot of magic, lot of blessings, and a lot of beautiful, beautiful, amazing surprises your way. Have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.